First thing we're going to cover on today's video is the disassembly of the wet end on the Universal One walk shop pump. We'll start with the wing nuts. Take your 1/2 inch Allen wrench, break them loose. There's no torque spec on any of these. Hand tight is all you need. Once the wing nuts are removed, you can remove the cover. You want to set it aside with your product side face up. Inspect your rotor tips for damage. Make sure the timing of the pump is in check. No foreign objects have run through the wet end. We're going to remove the jam nuts. For that, you'll need your jam nut wrench, dead blow mallet. Remove your jam nuts, set them inside your cover. Now we can remove the rotors. Once you remove the rotors, you'll visually inspect the inside of your rotor hub, wing tips for any damage. Make sure there's no galling or scratching. Set them inside your cover. Do the same with the top rotor. Once your rotors are removed, use a 1/4 inch T-handle Allen wrench. Remove your body retaining bolts. Body retaining bolts removed, you can now remove the body from the gear case. Remove any product seals, whether that's a sleeve or a mechanical seal. Inspect your O-ring grooves for corrosion and your splines for any damage. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.